I kind of just like threw my camera up here because I'm geeking out and I really did not want to wait to unbox my new Polène bag. This is my second one. I have the mini and I got the large, and I have been going like for 2 years trying to decide what color I wanted. They were out of the route, so I may or may not get that one later. I'm not sure, I haven't decided. This is the Cognac color. I can't wait to see it. I went back and forth between this and the caramel color forever, and I have the Cabos bag in the caramel, so I decided I was gonna get this one in the Cognac. So here we go. I'm not gonna show you the paper because who cares? Nobody cares. Can you guys see? Okay. I'm gonna like let you see right when I see. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. So glad I went with this color. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look great with everything. It will look great with everything. This color is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Can you get that close up right there, that leather? Yummy. So good. Okay, let's move the box. See what we got up in here. If you're not familiar with Polène, they're a luxury brand, but a little bit cheaper of a price point. So I love that, but the leather, the quality is just amazing. I actually did get to visit the store in New York, was it last year? And I love all their bags. I love all their bags. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th bag. Oof, yikes. I didn't know I had quite the collection. So, and you can wear it 2 different styles. This is the regular size, like I said earlier, or you can kind of pitch it together like this. You got 2 different styles of a handle. You can wear it long on the body, or you could wear it short on the arm like this. I will show you guys what it looks like on, but first impression, the color is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. I cannot wait to use this. This would be a great travel bag. I probably will buy an insert because I have a weird phobia of like things falling out, and since it is open, it's a magnetic closure. I do worry about stuff falling out on the airplane. So this is the inside. It's like a suede, gorgeous color, like a beige. And then it does come with a patch that is detachable. You can take it off if you want. Pretty good size. I love the bag idea because I don't like to throw perfumes or lip glosses or pens or anything that could get the inside of my bag dirty. I don't like to have that just floating around. So I will always put that in some sort of a bag. The lining of the little bag is also the same suede. So I might even use another bag because I don't like to get the suede dirty. So gorgeous. I love it.